Aeromexico 623 tower.
Go ahead for 623.
You can use Zulu 1, runway 10 right, line up and wait.
Sir, can I give it 3 more minutes? We start the engine number 1.
That's fine. You can line up and wait. Let me know when you're ready.
Zulu 1, 10 right, Aeromexico 623.
San Francisco Tower, American 1082, ILS 19 left.
American 1082, San Francisco Tower, runway 19er left, clear to land, wind 14013, traffic departing east.
19 left, clear to land, American 1082.
Ready for departure, Aeromexico 623.
Roger. Aeromexico 623 on departure, turn right heading 120, vectors to Katina. Maintain flight level 190 and hold in position.
Okay, on the position, observe on heading 120, Aeromexico 623.
Yeah, same top altitude, climb maintain flight level 190 at Aeromexico 623.
Climb maintain 190, Aeromexico 623.
Aeromexico 623, you are not clear for takeoff. Cancel takeoff clearance.
Okay, cancel clearance, Aeromexico 623.
Rigging. Remember when you read back, hold in position, Aeromexico?
Yes, sir, sorry.
American 1082, turn right, cross 19 right, ground point 8.
Turn right, cross 19 right, ground point 8, American 1082, thanks.
Aeromexico 623, turn right there, exit the runway.
Right there, and exit the runway, Aeromexico 623.
Aeromexico 623, you can contact the tower when you get a chance. I'll have a phone number for you.
Roger, Aeromexico 623.
Aeromexico 623, possible pilot deviation, advise ready to copy.
Correct, copy, Aeromexico 623.
Aeromexico 623, contact ground.
Contact ground, Aeromexico 623. Ground control, Aeromexico 623.
Aeromexico 623, join Alpha, left turn Alpha, and hold short of Kilo, pay attention.
Left on Alpha, join Alpha on Kilo, and go back for takeoff, Aeromexico 623.
Okay, do you need time?
Negative, Aeromexico 623.
Okay, Aeromexico 623, Alpha, Kilo, Bravo, Zulu, Sierra, to runway 10 right.
Alpha, Kilo, Bravo, Zulu, Sierra, Aeromexico 623.